Hey guys, let me tell you. Look what happened to my throttle cable as I was riding. Nothing. It snapped on me. Look how I had to get home. So just in case your throttle cable on a Jigsaw or on any bike ever snap and pop off, I'll show you how to make it work. So this is just a regular Allen wrench that I had in my bag going to work. I just wrapped the cable around and I held it on with duct tape. That would allow me to pull the string, the throttle, and go back in. You know, that's how I had to ride home. That's just a quick way that you can fix your throttle cable if your throttle cable has popped on you while riding. Now mind you, you have to be a professional to ride it like this, because you're used to twisting this. This you would have to pull. So that's taking your hand away from controlling the bike being on the throttle like this. So just know that if you're not an experienced rider, it could cause issues for you. You know, now I'm more of an experienced rider, so I'm able to do that. So I held on just like this, exactly how my hand is. This is exactly how I held on, and I gave it throttle every time I needed to give it throttle. That's a quick tip. Hope this helps. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.